How to create a waterfall chart in Tableau. Hello and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Victoria and I will be your instructor for this session. Today, you will learn how to create a waterfall chart in Tableau. I hope you will enjoy this session together. For this tutorial, you will use the Tableau Superstore dataset. You can download the file at get.tableau.courses/superstore dataset. If you want to follow along, please download the file now. If you want to master Tableau, subscribe to this channel and let's do this together. Waterfall charts are great for showing the intermediate values between an initial value and its final value. The most common appearance is of a staircase moving up and down, connecting two or more pillars. The waterfall chart has several variants. One of these variants helps to represent part-of-whole relationships, and this is the goal of this tutorial. The first step is to download and open the dataset in Tableau. From here, you can start building the waterfall chart. You will use just two fields, the subcategory and quantity. The process is easy. Take the subcategory and drag it to the columns. Then, take the quantity and drag it to the rows. Extend the view. It helps in seeing the visualization better. After adding the essential information inside the view, go to the marks and select the Gantt bar. Retake the quantity and drag it to the size. Well done, you've now the skeleton of the waterfall chart. The next step is to go to the rows, select quantity, and apply a quick table calculation. You are looking for the running totals. Now go to the columns, select subcategory, and click sort. Select Sort by Field from the modal. Then select Quantity. Keep the aggregation as sum. Sort in ascending order. As you can see, now the chart has the right shape. Let's add a few details. Go to Analysis, select Totals, then select Show Row Grand Totals. Now you need to trick Tableau and align the total with the rest of the chart. You can do it by going to the marks, selecting quantity, then editing in shelf and adding the sign minus in front of some quantity. Great! You made your first waterfall chart to describe part-of-whole relationships. Before you finish, let's make a few quick aesthetic adjustments. Flip the chart. Hide the subcategory from the header. Rename the axis to Cumulative Quantity. Change the color to make it more appealing. Edit the title. For example, Waterfall Chart. Let's change the font size and center it. Rename the sheet to How To. Let's have a look. As a best practice, you want to make the chart as self-explanatory as possible. Right now, it isn't easy to assess how each subcategory contributes to the total or discern what's the exact quantity. Retake the quantity and drag it to the label inside the marks. Apply a quick table calculation. Percentage of total. Then, format it as a percentage with one decimal. Retake the quantity and drag it to the label to add also the numeric value. The view is now self-explanatory. It's time to polish your visualization. Font size, font type, and format are critical. Click on the label. Change the font to something smaller. Add the percentage of the total within brackets. And align both on the left. Last touch. Let's add the row divider to help the audience read the chart. Go to Format. Then Border. Click Rows. Go to Row Divider and Mode Level from left to right. Set the pane to line and the header to none. Congratulations! You are now able to create a waterfall chart in Tableau. It's time to recap. In Part 1, you built a basic waterfall chart. In Part 2, you polished the chart by reducing clutter. In Part 3, you made the chart self-explanatory by adding two crucial pieces of information, the quantity and the percentage total. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. In the description of this how-to video, you can find links to datasets, further materials, and most frequent questions answered. You can also request a tutorial at request.tableau.courses. Don't miss out on these and more videos. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified, and hit the like button. It's a great way to support my channel and my work. I have no ads on the channel and don't monetize my videos. Most of what I've learned came from other generous members of the Tableau community. And so, this is my way of getting back. Thank you. See you in the following video.